let's take a stride. The letter H and the animals we find.
H is for horse, galloping proud. H is for hippopotamus, big and loud. H is for hare, quick on its feet. H is for hyena, laughing as it greets. H, 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 what do we see? Animals with H from land, air, and sea. H is for hawk, soaring in the sky. H is for hedgehog, rolling by. H is for hummingbird, flapping so fast. H is for heron, in waters vast. H is for hamster, spinning the wheel. H is for honeybee, seeking its meal. H, 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 now we know all beach animals put on a show. Thanks for joining in this spree. The letter H's wonders were fun to see.